How to add a clickable link in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add a clickable link on your any of your text inside of Canva. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your Canva application or Canva browser if you're using browser, and simply open up your any of the customized or template or previous template. So I'll just simply open up my previous project over here, and once you open it you can simply type in any of the text. So let me just quickly enlarge it so that you can see it perfectly. So let's take it up to 45 or more than that. So now it's completely visible, so I can also actually enlarge it just like this. And now simply make sure to select or highlight all of the text, and you can see there's a paperclip icon. Simply tap on that, and let's say I want to add a particular website to it. So in this example I'll simply open and copy and paste this YouTube link over here. So when I click on done, and when any of the user clicks on this link over here, they will be redirected to this youtube.com official website. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.